Okay, so the second one is to learn how things were done in the past, to see if they might be applicable to present day problems and concerns. See, for example, I can tell you that is, if the persons are previously when we are not going to the school, the parents will beat us. Okay, now if we are beating, the children will go and complain to the police station. So how the previously how we have done, so we can compare with the present situations, and according to that we should act. Okay, that is a historical example. This is what I said is an example. Okay, next one is assess the prediction. Okay, what the students are expecting, we can assess them. Next one is to test the hypothesis, concern, relationship or trends. The next one is to understand the present educational practices and policies more fully. Okay, so the process of conducting historical research is the same as far as the other research. Definition of the problem, formulating questions to be answered or hypothesis to be tested, systematic collection of data, evaluation of the data, and the production of verbal synthesis of finding the confirmation of hypothesis. See, same thing like a quantitative study. So, okay, historical research is like a quantitative study. So, what is that quantitative study? First one is we have to assess that definition, what is our problem statement. Then afterwards we can find out the objectives, and we are finding the hypothesis, and hypothesis to be tested by the methodology, and afterwards we are coming to the systematic collection of data, that is we are calling as a discussion and conclusion, and after that we are evaluating that whether our studies are acceptable. Okay, so we can conclude with the hypothesis. Okay, so this is we are calling as a historical research. Then steps, what are the steps are involved in the research. Then defining the problem or questions to be investigated. The researcher aim to describe, clarify, explain or correct what has been conducted before. Okay, so second one, what are all the things? Second involved matter is locating relevant resources of historical information. Locate the relevant resources of historical information. Like a researcher, what we have to do, searching the relevant sources on the material. Then summarizing and evaluating the information obtained from these sources. The researcher will summarize evaluate the sources of the able to locate. Interpreting this information, researcher can interpret the evidence obtained, and when drawing the conclusions about the problem or hypothesis. Okay, so next one is advantages. The research is not physically involved in the situations under study. No danger of experimental subject interactions. Documentations are located by the researcher, data is gathered, and the conclusions are drawn out of sight. Okay, disadvantages of the historical research. In conducting historical research, the researcher can neither manipulate nor control any of the variables. Okay, there is no way historical research can affect the events of the past. Historical research can't collect data by administering instrument. Historical research is limited to whatever data are available. Historical research excessively relies on secondary source of data. Okay, examples no need. Okay, then last one is case study. Okay, the case study is nothing, that is the case study researcher design have involved over the past few years as a useful tool of investigating trends and the scientific situations in many scientific discipline, especially social science, psychology, anthropology and ecology. See how you are conducting case study in your study. So related to the same thing only here also in the qualitative study. See what you are conducting the case study is, it is in the only 5 days. Only 5 days now you are giving care to the patients when you are taking case study. Okay, so for that 5 days, within a 5 days, whatever you can maximum you are collecting the history from the students, history from the patient, and you are collecting and writing the history and investigations and vital signs and pharmacology, what is it pharmacotherapy, what they are getting and what are the complaints. Same thing here also, what they are doing, it is a situation to many scientific discipline. Okay, what are the scientific disciplines are there? Then social sciences, mainly it is useful for the social sciences, psychology, anthropology and ecology. Okay, so the method of study is useful for trying to test theoretical models by using them in real world situations. For example, if an anthropologist were to live amongst the remote tribe, okay, their observation might